Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Yuvi.
And today, to celebrate Independence Day, we're going to be drawing
The Statue of Liberty.
Okay. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button if you want to receive notifications. And what do you do if you enjoy our tutorial?
Thumbs up if you like us.
Excellent. Shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay, begin this. First of all, let's get a black pen. Okay. Now, starting about here.
Here.
Yeah, about in the mid, kind of just down there. About
Yeah.
there, yeah. We're going to do the zigzag. So we start there. We're going to go zig, zag, zig, like that. Yeah, can you see? And then from here, we're going to do another zigzag. Watch it. So we do a line coming down to about there, like that, like a lightning bolt. Yeah. Then we just do a little bit of a triangle, that one. And then we're going to zig up like that. Okay. And then what we do is we do another line, just going across like that. Okay. And on this side, we're going to do a line going down from there to there, just joining up. Okay. And then from here, we're going to do a line going up like that. Yeah. And then we're going to do a diagonal line like that, and then a line going down.
Right.
So what we're doing is we're doing the folds. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's great. All right. So here we're going to do a straight line going up like that. Okay. And here we're going to do another straight line going up there. So do that one there, and then we do another one on that side. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, and then I'm going to do a diagonal line and like that. Looking good. Okay.
They're all connected.
That's fine, that's absolutely fine. Alright, so see where we did the first zigzag? We're going to draw a straight line going down like that. So that one.
Right here.
Yeah, just a little bit along there. Yeah, that's good. And then we're going to just flick it out a little bit at the side. Yeah. And then on this side, we're going to do another straight line and we'll flick it out there. So go like that, like that. Okay. And then following this, we're going to do another one, line going down like that, and another line like that. See? Okay. Now see where we flicked it out? We're going to do another little straight line there. And then we're going to do kind of like a V on its side, like that. Now we're going to do a straight line going down like that. That's it. And then see here, we're just going to do a diagonal line to connect it. Yeah, so we'll just connect that to that. Okay, that's looking amazing. Let's do another diagonal line just in here. Yeah, so join in from there to there sideways. Okay, and see where we've got that little triangle poking out?
Yeah.
We're going to do another straight line going down. That's fantastic. And then see from here to here, we're going to join them up. Like that.
Mine's so wide.
Don't worry, okay? Now, when we get to this point, we're going to do a diagonal line going out that way. Yeah, you can see the folds. This is the things, the folds help describe the shape. So from that point, I think you can move up a little bit onwards. Yeah, there. Okay, and then we do another smaller line just there.
What?
Just there. Yeah, and then here we're going to do a triangle coming out. Okay, and then we're going to do a line going down, just like that. That's it. And then we're going to do a diagonal line here. This is the elbow, just along there to that. And then we're going to do a line going that way, like that.
Line what?
So this line is going to connect to there. From here to that side.
So
From this line to that line. Perfect. Okay, so just on the other side of that triangle, we're going to do a little line there, and then we're going to join it up like that. Okay, and then we're going to do a diagonal line this way. Okay, and then I'm going to do another diagonal line. Okay, looking good. Now we've got to do a diagonal line joining up and then to there. Okay, and then we'll do another diagonal line going like that. Brilliant. Now see this diagonal line here?
yeah.
We're going to do a line kind of straight-ish, like that. Yeah? And then I'm going to do another triangle, so I'm going to join this line to that line, like that. Okay, and then here we're going to do a diagonal line going there. See that? Just coming up the sides, and then another line going in, like that. So it joins up to there, yeah. And then we'll do another little line like that, and then we're going to do a longer diagonal line like that. So now those need to join up. Okay, so let's do another line just on the end. So bring that line out a little bit, and then do a line down. Okay, and then here we're going to do another diagonal line, but not running parallel, just slightly up, like that. Can you do that? Okay. And then to join it to this bit, we're going to do like half a square. We're going to go across and then down. And then that's it, join it up, brilliant. Okay, now from here, this bit, we're going to do a diagonal line there. Okay, and then from this side, we're going to do a little diagonal line coming out. Yeah, and then this is going to join up to there, and that's going to make the wrist. Okay, now at this point we're going to do like a sideways V, so do the V like that. And then here we're going to do an L shape. So just from there, down and across. Okay, and then up from here we're going to do two lines like that. Okay, and then we're going to do skinny rectangle, and then above that we're going to do another skinny rectangle. Awesome. And then just in the middle, do a couple of black lines. That's it. Now just here we're going to zig and zag out, so we're going to go a little bit like that and a little bit like that. So out that way and then back in that way. Okay, and then just on this bit here, we just need to do a diagonal line to connect it. Okay, this is looking really good. So just at this point, we want to, so at that edge, we want to zig in. So a diagonal line from there going in, and on this side, another diagonal line going in. Okay, and then we're going to do a straight line there and a straight line there. Okay, and then we go down, down, and then out again, like that. So that's the plinth that she stands on. Yeah, that's good?
Steps.
Yeah, the steps. And draw a straight line across like that. Okay, and then just in here we're going to do another little fold that way, so we do a diagonal line that way. Brilliant. Okay, so now we've got to do the tricky bit, which is the head. So the head fits in here. Not that tricky. Can you do a U shape?
Yes.
So we'll do a U shape there, like that. Awesome. Okay, and then above that, we're going to do another bit. A curve like that, so we've got, kind of got like an egg shape. Alright, now at the top, we're going to draw a straight line across. Yeah? And then either side, we're going to do diagonal lines like that. Amazing. Okay, and then we're going to do a little line across like that. See that?
Yeah.
Now do another little line across like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to drop a little line down like that for the nose. Okay, and then we'll do a little line there for the mouth. And then do like another little dot in there for the eye. Okay, now we've got to do the crown. So I'll do some lines coming out like that. And then we'll do another couple this side. And then we'll do another two like that.
What?
So do one coming out the side like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's looking good. Alright, and then we want to join them up to make the spikes. Like that. She's nearly ready, isn't she? I think what we need to do is, we haven't really done her neck, so we need to do like a curve that joins up there. So from here, joining out to there. Okay, now I think it's time to start colouring in. Well, that is an incredible picture of the Statue of Liberty. Give us a high five, Yuli. That is amazing work. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button if you want to receive notifications. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you see.
100.
And don't forget, everybody who's watching, have a happy 4th of July. See you soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.